Hi, this video will walk through everything you need to know about the Elderly Taxpayer Relief Program, including the processes for new and existing applicants to apply annually. To get to the Real Estate Tax Relief website, go to www.albemarle.org. Then, under Government, you will select Real Estate, which is found under the Finance and Budget tab. On the left, you will find a link to the Real Estate Tax Relief site. There is also a link on the main page titled Real Estate Tax Relief for the Elderly and Disabled, which will take you to that same web page. The Real Estate Tax Relief website has information on the tax relief programs Albemarle County offers, including a program for the elderly and disabled. There are multiple eligibility requirements to qualify for this program. Applicants must be at least 65 years old or medically determined to be totally and permanently disabled as of December 31st of the year prior to the time of application. Applicants must be the title holder of the property they are seeking exemption for as of January 1st of the current year. As of July 2023, the total combined income for the applicant for the prior year must not exceed $83,850. The applicant's total net worth, including spouse, any co-owners, and their spouses, from the prior year must not exceed $250,000. This value excludes the value of the dwelling and up to 10 acres on which the dwelling is situated. These thresholds may not reflect the current thresholds for the program. Please refer to the Real Estate Tax Relief webpage for updated information. Finally, the property that the applicant is seeking tax relief for may not be used in a business. There are different procedures for new and existing applicants. New applicants must submit a full application, whereas existing applicants are to submit either a recertification filing or resubmit a full application, depending on how many years it has been since the initial full application was submitted. New applicants must provide proof of age or disability. For proof of age, a copy of either your driver's license or birth certificate is required. If the property is jointly owned and the co-owner is deceased, a copy of their death certificate is required. If the applicant is under 65, you must show proof of disability. To do so, certification must be attached from one of the following authorities: Social Security Administration, Railroad Retirement Board, Department of Veteran Affairs, or a signed affidavit by 2 Virginia medical doctors that certifies that you are totally and permanently disabled. The deadline for new applicants is October 31st, while the deadline for existing applicants is April 1st, regardless of whether it is a full application or a recertification filing. If either of these deadlines fall on a weekend or holiday, the deadline is automatically extended to the next business day. New applicants must submit all required documentation with the application itself by this deadline. If existing applicants fail to submit a recertification filing by the deadline, they are automatically unenrolled from the program and would have to restart the application process in the following year. The amount of relief varies and is determined by calculating an applicant's total income and net worth. One may qualify for 50% to 100% relief of their real estate tax liability, depending on this calculation. This is the calculation table from 2023 and may not reflect changes to the income and tax relief thresholds. Here, you will see a sample application for this program. This is a full application, which will be submitted by new applicants or by existing applicants who must restart the application process every 4 years. It asks for the eligibility type, as well as the specific disability date for this option. It also asks for information on the property, the applicant and spouse or co-applicant, and any other residents. There is a section on gross income, which prompts the applicant to provide specific information on any applicable income sources of those listed in the applicant information portion. The assets or net worth section asks for similar information regarding assets, but excludes other residents. The supporting documentation portion clarifies what supporting documentation is required for the given applicant, as it will differ depending on the circumstances or type of exemption. There is also an option for an appointed representative to assist with the application or application process. If that applies, information on the representative must be provided here. The application must be fully completed with all relevant required documentation provided as well, or the application may be denied. This is a sample recertification form. As long as there is not a lapse in coverage, the county will automatically mail this paperwork to the applicant towards the beginning of the calendar year. It is essentially ensuring that the applicant is still eligible based on information from the most recent calendar year. You only need to fill out this minimal information. We hope this has been helpful to you. Remember to check out our website for quick reference to this information. Thank you.